Alright, we're gonna make full today. I'm gonna show you how to mix it. You need 1 kilo of tomato, you need a green onion, you need a half chunk of mint, you need a full chunk of parsley, you need 2 squeezed lemons, we added them already, salt and pepper. Salt, pepper, prepared olive oil, and we have here this mix which has tahina, 3 spoons of tahina, 2 spoons of laban, 1 lemon, and a little bit of salt. Alright, so now we're gonna show you how to mix them all together. And we need the cumin. We sparkled on the top at the very end so you don't get bloated from the beans. And of course the side dish will be as follow: radish, red pepper, mint, and green onion. First of all, we add the olive oil. It's around half small cup of olive oil. With this particular meal, we like to add a lot of olive oil. So you could add as much as you want. I like it soaking in oil usually, but we will show you. This is the cumin. We added already the salt and the pepper. The lemon was already added previously, but we forgot to shoot it. We forgot to take a video of it. So we keep 1 portion because we're gonna add it on the top after we finish dumping the fool, which is the beans. This one we cook them at home, but you could buy them in a can from the market. Just be sure the can, it has only salt and water. There is no other ingredients with a can, only salt and pepper. It's very difficult to find a brand that has only salt and pepper on the can. Otherwise you can cook them at home. Alright, now you could add more olive oil on the top. And here we go. An amazing healthy meal. The beans are full of protein, but it's considered vegetarian anyway. For people who they want a full dose of nice healthy meal. Don't forget your onion, guys. Your green onion and white onion, they're very important.
You don't want this cracker?
Say, yeah. Let's start. Please, bye.
Amo.
This one. Better. The white onion is so important.
What? The white one?
Yes, the white onion.
The one.
The mint. All together.
Yeah.
Right
يلا كل فول now.
here. Over here. Cheers.